Liquid plumber double.
Stop.
I used to feed my little guy a big name brand that was formulated for a toy breed's needs, but I didn't want him eating chicken byproduct meal, so I switched him to Blue.
I've tried just about every big name, large breed food out there. But when I saw the buffalo had real meat first, I knew it was the one for Murphy.
I've checked out the big name foods for small breeds.
Drink?
They all had corn.
Drink?
Any wonder why I switched to Blue?
When it comes to feeding your dog a natural food formulated for his specific needs, there's nothing better than Blue Buffalo. All Blue foods are made with real beef first, plus wholesome whole grains, veggies, and fruit.
I went to the Blue Buffalo website and I found the true reason I compared my old brand to Blue. Not believe the great stuff in Blue that was not my dog's food.
Only Blue a precise blend of antioxidants and nutrients.
Boys, that's like we feeding like family.
Wait to
Compare the ingredients in your dog's
it's
food to
passing
Blue at
my
TurboTest.com.
to my
Feeling buried by all the piles of paper in your home office?
I will never understand why
The only
he
thing
had
to
to
yes, all your important documents will be
He was searching and broke him out, set him free. Now I lay down to sleep. I pray to the Lord, my soul He will lead into the kingdom of heaven for all eternity.
for your third day. Say goodbye to all that paper. Saturday, on an open big house, there's a very good picture of domestic bliss. It keeps the spotless, houses spotless, there's nothing out of place. What is lack of trust? You got less of us. And then you can see it's sensory hands of another energy. Relax, cause each to walk their own way out. What about the accident? He was there.
No one really knows what happened that day, or why he took his life in such a tragic way. He shot could have been narrow, maybe could have saved his life. His death came when the thief had died. Now I lay down to sleep. Pray to the Lord, my soul He will keep. Till the kingdom of heaven for all eternity. If you love me, pray for me.
Working full time. I think that he felt that he was giving her very good life. I think that he gave her as much as he could, the constraints of his busy schedule, took very good care of her, and very good care of her family.
It was really quite sad, the passing of one so young. His life ended tragically before it had begun. Old Tom came to the funeral just to say goodbye. To see all the people he would have surprised. Lay down to sleep. Praise to the Lord, my soul will keep. Into the kingdom of heaven for all eternity. If you love me, pray for me. If you love me, pray for me.
Despite all his efforts, she remained without breath. worship very respected church. And I know all the together and learn from each other. But I'm sure throughout the years that there were years that artists also
to sleep. I pray to the Lord, my soul won't give up. Into the kingdom of heaven for all eternity. If you love me, pray for me. If you love me, pray for me.
A lot of money, and he's willing to pretty much buy her whatever it is.
She also seemed to me like someone who didn't really want to fit the profile at the beginning of being the kind of woman that would respond to a sugar daddy, because she did reject some of the gifts and she didn't seem to want to be talked about as that. But over time became comfortable with the lifestyle that he was going to
Is all
provide.
that noise coming from?
Donna makes her own money, but Ghulam's private urology practice is really what pays the bills. Most people agree Donna is happy to let Ghulam take the lead.
Good
He
boy.
would come home at a certain time, he would require certain things. They had rituals and things that they followed in their daily life. And I think that, and you know, what she needed to do for herself came secondary.
Crazy bird.
People said that Donna needed someone to guide her, someone to control and make a lot of decisions for her.
He was gone. He did whatever he wanted, but we don't know what happened inside the house.
Then there are the whispers that Ghulam's not entirely faithful.
A lot of people thought that maybe he had a girlfriend on his side as well.
I assume that a lot of people took his blurring to mean that he was not faithful.
If you were living in a situation where you were constantly being bombarded by rumors and stories of womanizing on your husband's part, that would be a gradual chipping away at you if you allowed it to be. And those rumors were there all along the way.
People also gossip about why the couple never had any children. None of their friends has a definitive answer.
They used to go out and go on vacation and things like that did not fit their lifestyle as children.
She's very caring individual, and I think she would have been a wonderful mom if she had her own children. But my understanding is that they were medical.
Donna wanted children, I think she mentioned a number of times. But for some reason, he said he doesn't like children.
Donna's friends wonder if Donna gets lonely or depressed.
She was only working one day, sometimes 2 days a week.
How about if I play the guitar and just let you do all the singing, huh? Does that sound good, huh? Does that sound good? If I play the guitar and let you do all the singing, give Daddy a kiss.
And I think it was during
Huh?
that time when
Huh?
she was spending so much time alone.
Is that what you want me to do?
Came